Welcome back to YouTube. I see a lot of stuff. Well, I'm going to be cleaning out the refrigerator and pretty much stuff. So yeah. So this is how we looking right now. So yeah. So first the chicken, the fish sticks. Yeah, they get in bread. Let's just move on. I don't know what these are spelled off brand. I think so. This is the top action. So here, and then you can see me at the bottom, put up the top action. I'm buying them from different angles. They have family type. They never got to use. What is it? Like I said, we have the fish sticks, bread, pizza rolls. These are like the people that be vlogging and going in and we had like you be like, well sometimes people do this like and D and B Nation, D and D Nation, my family. I'm gonna like cooking these right here. These are some chicken things. And we have Commonwealth server. This is from a damn flamingo. I put it on in the freezer. Yeah, I put it in the freezer. Yeah, but these are neat. From here. Like a pro. But yeah. And then we have these. My mom's favorite. Yeah. Oh no, that's not. Ooh. That ain't this fucking room right now. See, look.
Man, all you had to do was put these on the head.
I thought I was doing it wrong. Look at these. Open it. It's a bomb like this. What about these?
Put them down third. Put them third.
You don't know they're supposed to be the same way. I got to put it down.
That's all you had to do.
I know they ain't. I was just trying to see if I would put it in there right now. What I think? It's right.
Yeah, hold on. Now you still got teeth. Try on these damn things.
Where's the other food? Open it up.
Put it on.
You just going to February.
Now get them cakes out the gun.
No, you know you put that in there.
Yeah.
Let's go tomorrow. So yeah, the camera fell. You can't. It fell. I'm so mad. But yeah. It fell so bad. It's just like I have no control of it. I said I'm gonna upgrade my thing, but I ain't upgraded yet. So yeah. I'm gonna talk to my mom. That's this hello. Guess what you do? We're gonna be cooking some deep fried Oreos that I showed you. They're supposed to be deep fried, I think. My mother gonna do it on her own. She get it from somewhere else. And she do it the rest of the time. Yeah. I'm bored. So that's what I got for you. There we go. Yeah, this is my, I can't say it was a vlog, but I was just cleaning up. But, see, not cleaning up, but like putting up the groceries and stuff like that. I'm gonna clean up tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Give notification.